45 degrees right now at overhead door near Powers and Galley in Colorado Springs, looking back towards sunset. Over the top of Pikes Peak, we have some clouds floating around. The wind isn't too strong in the city right now. And the 40s that you have now are about to go away. We've been tracking via the neighborhood weather network some colder air now moving into Monument and Black Forest, out towards Peyton where it's down to 27. Still have a lot of 40s around Colorado Springs, but that colder air is coming south, and it will do so over the next several hours. You'll certainly feel it. Farther south, haven't had to worry about it yet. 54 degrees at Parkview Medical Center in Pueblo. Still have a pretty good wind coming off of the mountains right now. It's up around 18 miles an hour. And again, obviously, it's been a pretty gusty day as far as the wind is concerned. As the colder air settles in, the stronger wind gusts will subside. Skycast then shows areas of low cloud cover beginning to develop overnight and then bank up against the front range. That's probably what you're going to wake up to tomorrow morning. And within this area of low clouds, there could be some patchy fog or freezing fog. That's our main concern for impacts to tomorrow morning's commute. The chance that you might have some poor visibility, at least here at lower elevations. We will continue with some snow over the ski resorts, and you should expect some slick conditions up there. When you wake up tomorrow morning, temperatures will only be in the teens along and north of the Arkansas River, perhaps holding on to 20s farther south. Mountain areas in the teens to lower 20s as well, so pretty uniform temperatures as this is a very shallow layer of colder air. Again, if your travels take you out and about tomorrow, I would imagine the best chances to run into some fog will be if you're going up across Monument Hill into Denver, maybe out Highway 24 towards Peyton, or in and out of Teller County. It should be dry in Pueblo, just maybe a bit on the gray side, and certainly it'll be cold, so make sure you grab a coat tomorrow. Skycast shows that with time, this low cloud cover should break up. I think Colorado Springs will be the last place to break out of this, so it might take until after lunchtime for that to happen. So our temperatures won't warm very quickly tomorrow. We'll continue with some snow up here over the ski resorts. This should not impact us locally tomorrow at all. But as we track another system with the chance for some colder air to come in, maybe late Wednesday into Thursday, that'll change. In the meantime, tomorrow, just a big change in temperature with highs only in the 20s and 30s. That'll be true on the plains as well as up over the mountains and mountain valleys. It won't be as windy tomorrow, so that's a bit of good news to pass along, I suppose. We'll get through Wednesday morning in okay shape. I don't think we'll have any impacts to Wednesday morning's commute. And I'm a little unsure about the timing on this impacting the evening commute or not, but it'll be close. So playing on the possibility that Wednesday evening the drive home could be a little slow, certainly by Thursday morning. Looks like this will be another one of these kind of 1 to 4 inch widespread snowfall, so not a ton of snow, but cold enough for it to stick and to make for some slick roadways. Then Friday is another day where we're a little in doubt. There's some indication that a weak system could spark another round or a burst of some light snow for parts of our coverage area. We'll track that over the next couple of days. Then as we head into the weekend, we should dry out and begin a warming trend with highs Sunday in the 40s and by Monday maybe in the 50s. Pueblo highs around the freezing mark tomorrow and Wednesday. Overnight lows dipping back into the single digits and lower teens. Again, I think you'll get through Wednesday in pretty good shape. It'll be more Wednesday night into Thursday morning if we're going to get some accumulating snow that it's likely to occur. So that Thursday morning commute is probably the one that gets impacted most for you. And we'll see about maybe a few flakes on Friday, though that doesn't look significant. Saturday and Sunday will start to warm up. Should be into the upper 50s on Monday. Canyon City looking for temperatures to be in the 30s. Both tomorrow and Wednesday, then maybe only 20s on Thursday and Friday, so obviously a good bit colder. We'll warm into the 50s by the weekend. And our best chance for snow in Canyon City also looks to come Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And in Teller County, look for temperatures to drop off into the 20s tomorrow and Wednesday, maybe only teens on Thursday. Some chilly nights coming up with single-digit lows possible. The snow for you doesn't look to be much heavier than it will be at lower elevations, so we'll figure on low-end accumulations on that 1 to 4 inch range as opposed to some of the things that can happen up in Teller County on occasion. And could have enough snow around by late Wednesday afternoon to impact the drive Wednesday evening. But again, it's more Wednesday night into Thursday morning where I think it settles in and we get a better chance for some slick roads.
All right, we'll see how it pans out. All right, Marty, thanks for the update.
You're welcome.